not make this battery easy to get out. I'm thinking we just keep trying to turn it or hit the back of the tray. And I've kind of picked it up over the back because for the terminal to clear, it's going to have to tilt. And I don't know, we may be at the length of our ground cable right now, but that's kind of got the ground cable in a little better spot to get to. So maybe I'll set y'all up over there. We'll try to get that off, and maybe that's what's keeping us from, I think it's gonna have to tilt, turn this way, and kind of tilt like that to get it out. It wouldn't hurt if these batteries were a little bit shorter, but I remember this battery matched up to the size of the original John Deere batteries, but to me they could be a little bit shorter. It'd make this a lot easier. But we're only have, I mean, these, like I said, these batteries probably been in here 10 years. I don't know if you can see, there's that battery terminal. Let's we'll try a 1/2 inch. Hopefully this one doesn't look as corroded, so maybe we can actually get a wrench on this one. Yeah, this one's in pretty good shape. Hopefully the other side of it's holding. It is not. I would think somebody would come up with a better design for battery terminals. Get in here and hold the hex part of it, because it is turning. Flash in here that's in the way. Let's turn it a little bit more. Let's see if that'll hold it. Not wanting to break loose. I'm holding the other side of it, but man, it is not wanting to break loose. Just trying to push my other. Let's see if we can straighten this up a little bit more. Come on, this one crooked. Alright, let's see if I can. Problem is now I don't have much room on this other one. Man, it is not wanting to come loose. it is trying to round off the hex side, and I've got a good wrench on it too. It's not going well. I'm just going to put 2 ground cables on this thing. If it's loose enough. It feels kind of loose. I don't think we can get it off, but if we could then maybe just cut the bolt. Cut the bolt, and then just put a new bolt in it. I think it did. It did. It's not turning to come off though. Oh, we just got it off. All right, so that one's off. So we'll deal with that and see if we can, what we're gonna do with it. But let's see now if we can tilt this battery up, get it up above that, tilt that down. Let's see if it'll clear. And shove the other one out a little bit. This is not ideal battery setup for this thing. I got this one out as much as I can. Let's see if we can get this one. I'm going to set y'all up and down. Now it's better. You see, this is definitely a tight fit, and I don't know of any way to make it any easier. Unless the batteries were shorter, like I said. So we're trying to turn this one. Oh, you know what? Let's turn it the other way. We got more clearance over here. See if we can rotate it around the other way. Don't know if we can. Come on. Yeah, that's going to be the way to get this thing out. Yeah, what a mess. And drum roll on the date code. 5 of 10. So they're 9 years old. That's close, I said 10. Alright, now we've got to still get this other one off. Here's our ground that, oh, it's broke. So that one's gonna have to get replaced. And man, that does not look like a good spot to have to undo. Boy, man, it is so corroded. I don't know. We're gonna have to, we'll have to figure something out. That does not look good. This is definitely a difficult process that got difficult, even more difficult. All right, let's get this other one out. So I think if we bring it up over, we got plenty of cable left. go on the other side. I think that's the only way we're going to get this one out. I'm going to try to pick it up over here. See if I can get it, but it is not wanting to cooperate. Got it up over, and we're going to shove it over to this side because I don't think it's going to come out on this other side. I can't rotate it on this other side. There's a bracket that's in the way. Like I said, I may look for some shorter batteries going back with this thing. Now we have got to try to save this other terminal right here. And the good thing is we got a good way to get to it. That's our best shot, and we are going to try not to let this round out. We're going to hold the back up on it. Just like a good bolt here, and we are not going to put any strain on the terminal itself.
Oh, that's right. She went to the bank.
I gave her a check, and I said, "You get my check?" And she said, "No." And she said, "I'll go back." And I said, "Well, you know, they closed at 1. So that might have been she went back to the bank. She forgot my check.
What a job.
Isn't that terrible? No wonder you couldn't.
No, the good thing is,
What's the good
once
thing?
he does this, all we got to do is watch the video. You just,
Huh?
Michael's video will show us how to do it.
Oh.
You gotta call it up and
Well, the batteries are so
I'll
tall.
at least know how, whether I can do it or not. Right?
Yeah.
I replaced one, I remember that. But I don't know if I could do it with my hands on it. I think the trench is pretty much ready.
The what?
The trench.
Oh. You haven't been back over there, have you?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
There were 2 spots I wanted Michael to look at, and I just went through them carefully, cutting roots. That was where we thought that other sewer line might be.
I figured
didn't ever
I figured
run
you
into it.
were,
There's a piece of concrete too I wanted you to look at. It didn't want to come up very easily. If you're looking at the corrosion.
The ground cables are no good.
That's probably why it didn't keep a charge, right?
no. The batteries are 9 years old.
Wow.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. I think Walmart will have them. Should
I think we'll try to get some shorter ones. It'd make this job a whole lot easier.
Where would you think?
Walmart. But we'll have to see what they have.
You're gonna go?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay for it.
Swedish patch sure looks good now. That's like that's one of the best grass we got right there.
Well, I didn't have any. I thought she was in the house. I thought the Astros played today. You'd be in watching them.
No, they play tonight. NASCAR's tonight.
That was the
Daytona.
same one that Randy and him have been watching.
No, they aren't going. They went to it 2 years ago. This race, but they're going to the one in Kentucky next week.
Yeah.
And then I guess they'll head home.
Yeah, he said as soon as that was finished going, coming home, start home. They took a long vacation.
Yeah. If I were going to do that, the thing that got me a little bit about what they're doing is they went back to a lot of the same places.
Yeah, because they like it so well, yeah.
Yeah, I think
Once I've
at
seen it,
least see something else and then go back.
yeah,
you know?
once I've seen it, I'm ready to see something different.
Well, like I'd like to go back to Banff, you know, but not just us. I wouldn't care me going. I would like to take the kids, you know.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I'd go somewhere else.
We've been to just about every state.
Yeah. You've seen more Washington than we have.
Yeah, that was, we enjoyed that trip more than just about more than we went on. I just never had a desire to go to Alaska.
Really? My biggest desire was to go to Hawaii.
To go to where?
To Hawaii.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then
You were
we've
you
been there
and
3
went
times, different islands.
Y'all went once, didn't you?
Yeah.